Hey everybody, welcome to Burke Bunch Moments. Today we are going to Scoot's cottage, so it should be a fun day. Let's go. If you have not yet, please subscribe, give us a like, and check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all under Burke Bunch TV and the Cricket Chronicles. Also, consider becoming a patron of Burke Bunch TV by visiting us on Patreon, just like these amazing people have. It's time to go, Biscuit? Is it time to go? Enough yakking. Time to go. We're here. What do you think of the cottage, Biscuit? Biscuit? You gonna catch some fish, Biscuit? Maybe he's going paddleboarding. That's very handy. Biscuit, are you excited about going on the paddleboard? Nope. Yogi's out paddleboarding, so we're going to fly the drone out to visit him. Biscuit ate a mushroom, so now she's paying the price. Getting her to throw up. Cricket, you laughing at her? Biscuit has recovered from her near-death mushroom eating experience. Yogi and I are going to go on the paddleboard with her, and maybe Cricket if she wants to come. Okay. Hello, puppies. Uh-oh, Yogi's going to stand. It's going to be bad. We're going in to drink. Go to shore? One, two, three. Are you ready? One. Funny here. God.
You ever hear the story about the little engine that could?
She's all worn out. All that swimming in the sun. Cricket's not worn out. Hey, Cricket, you want to swim some more? We'll go swimming?
So we have both dogs in the kayak, and Yogi and I are going exploring. Biscuit, you're totally crushing Cricket. Cricket's jumping ship. She deserted us, Biscuit. Hi, Biscuit. All right, Cricket, come on. You want to come? There you go, good girl.
That drive-by Biscuit, Cricket.
Are y'all done, Biscuit?
Biscuit, you dumped it. There you go. Build up an appetite at the cottage. Come on, Biscuit. You giving up?
Cricket's waiting. She'll take it. What's going on?
I'm tired.
Yeah, I see that.
Well, Cricket.
Ooh. You gonna get it? Wait. You ran out of the way. That's it for another fine Burke Bunch Moment episode here at the Scottage, because it's Scots, so we call it the Scottage. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. There's always more great wacky videos. In fact, we have one really fun one planned with Scott that he doesn't even know about, right?
Really?
Yeah, we
Okay.
got a good one. Him and Yogi, so stay tuned. All right, we'll see you next time. Hi, Biscuit. Say bye. Say bye.